Do you know why some airplanes use a winch to get up in the air? This is often used for glider airplanes. At the end of the runway is a motor which actually pulls a winch in. How you can see this, it's a big slingshot. It pulls in a cable real quick and launches the airplane right away. A long high tensile strength steel cable is attached to the belly of the airplane. Once the pilot thinks he's high enough, he can loosen this cable and go for his flight. The benefits of using a winch instead of a second airplane is there's less noise, it's cheaper and it's easier to guide because you don't have a second airplane which you have to keep communicating with.